about anyway is about Apple. Apple dropped a cheaper iPad for the same reason, right? Or what? What is their version of cheaper iPad?
Yeah.
First, just go straight to the numbers.
So
first.
this is what they did. All right. So you want the numbers?
Yeah. What's the price? Because
All right.
you just said $330 for the Google one.
So it refreshed the 9.7 inch regular iPad that it came out with last
Same
year.
size as the Google one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is what they did. So for students, it's $300.
Okay.
For consumers, it's $330, and then $459 for the LTE model. But then they charge students $89 for the pencil, and then $99 for everyone else.
See, that's where you get stupid again.
And that's how I was like, because it's like, all they did was, because they posted it, they went to Chicago. They had media fly up to Chicago for this. I'm like, wow, what a waste of time.
For real.
And they announced a new iPad. I mean, they have some new software features that are actually pretty cool, like some AR stuff, but it's like,
AR-15 stuff?
You're stupid. Oh, you're so stupid.
but it's essentially a refreshed iPad with pencil support and student pricing.
But I mean, the pencil doesn't work great anyway, so how the fuck are they still on that? And I'm sure there's not a third party that's already made it an Apple pencil use.
Dude,
The couple of them.
There's a couple
Logitech
of-
has one, 53. I forget the name of it.
there's a couple of them. I mean, the funny part is this: is that when it comes to third parties, you can actually look for third party accessories for basically Apple products in general, and there's a whole slew of them.
Yeah.
So right now, I guarantee. When did they announce that? Today?
Today.
Okay, so I guarantee you.
Logitech already announced, it's called the Crayon.
Thank you. 5 minutes after that thing was over,
I mean,
all the other guys were like, "Oh, good, $89. Now I know my price point is gonna be
I mean,
$50."
they work together with it. So
You know what I
like
mean?
Complete, but I get you though. Yeah. So
89.
this is, So as far as specs, A10 processor, Touch ID, HD FaceTime camera, 10-hour battery life, 8-megapixel camera, and LTE option.
Man,
I mean, it's the same iPad.
just an iPad.
Same iPad from last year. They just added pencil support. And
yeah, pretty much.
added, student pricing. I'm like, really?
That's it.
That's
You
it.
got education of that?
That's it. It's basically another iPad.
There's some other software things, but as far as the hardware, I'm like,
Yeah, there's no point. Okay, keep it moving, guys. I'm sorry. Like that's why Chrome is actually taking over the education market because of stuff like that, where people are starting to realize, like, yo, Apple, you basically selling us the same product for a higher price, but you wanted to try to give us a discount for a certain group of people just because that, and they call it an educational thing. It sounds stupid. It really does sound
At
stupid.
least with the Acer thing, the stylus is in the tab.
Yeah.
So and it's free. So
It's
it
really
comes with it.
wait, Omar. It's not just me, right? It's really sounding dumb. Like it's really starting to become blatant.
Yeah,
like,
I've been saying they've been losing the edge for a long time.
This was a dumb announcement. I
yeah.
mean,
Sorry, Apple.
They could have announced that shit in September with the phones and everything else.
that could have been impressive.
You know what's funny? I think
That could have been impressive.
you know what? Kind of looking back at it now, I think I'm starting to see that in the near future, most likely, we're not gonna get invited to any Apple events.
I already don't get invited.
Why would
You're getting?
I mean,
I already don't.
dude, but they don't
some-
invite people who critically.
To criticize the stuff.
We'll see.
Yeah,
Or give them an
they
honest
invite
opinion.
fanboys to be like, "Oh my god, Apple, I'm gonna ride your dick all day long."
Yo, there's fanboys, man.
I mean, people will high
That's why they got rid of Waz. Waz wasn't a big fanboy either. He's like, "You're going in the wrong direction." All right,
Waz was giving
Deuces,
blunt
dude.
opinions from his stuff from the get.
deuces, and they got rid of him.
For
They
the
never go
record-
with people who go against the opinion or try to make the product better.
Right, for
if
those
it's
who
not
don't-
within the realm of what they're thinking.
Right, for those who don't know who we're talking about Steve Wozniak, who is actually the co-founder of Apple.
Yep.
And he was always known for being like, he was always pushing Steve
the
Jobs.
voice of reason.
Yeah, he was the voice of reason to Steve Jobs.
Yeah.
And Steve Jobs hated that.
He hated reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you mean reason? Like it just was what that
He was
was.
portrayed by Seth Rogen and Michael Fassbender, which is the movie's actually.
I actually saw that
really
one.
good.
Yeah. Did you
But
see
you
that?
guys
Bert?
didn't like the other one with what's his name?
Ashton Kutcher?
I know
Yeah.
about.
I saw that one too.
I didn't see that
It
one.
was all right.
It
I didn't
wasn't
see it.
bad, but just like if I have to pick the two, like
I mean,
I'm
yeah.
No, you know what
the only thing was that he actually looked better. He looked closer to
Yes. he did.
Steve Jobs than Fassbender.
Yes.
But Fassbender did a better performance.
Yeah.
Than,
The
so it's like-
problem that I had with Ashton Kutcher and
he was dating Demi Moore.
no, he was married to Demi Moore, but that wasn't the problem. Is that in that specific role highlights how much Ashton Kutcher can only play Ashton Kutcher as Steve Jobs. You get what I'm saying?
Kutcher.
Yeah, it's like, dude, it really was. It really was like, oh man, I see you trying, but no.
But I don't see you trying.
Right, and then Michael Fassbender is like Michael Fassbender. You know what I mean?
Fast.
So yeah. Anyway,